Welcome you all to the introduction of pharmacology. Here today I am here with you for the introduction of pharmacology and therapeutics. The name of the department is the pharmacology and therapeutics. I am Dr. Muhammad Johirul Islam, otorhinolaryngologist and head neck surgeon, not the man of pharmacology, but I am with you for the introduction of pharmacology. So today I want to introduce you with the items, with the books of pharmacology. First of all, I will introduce you with the item card of pharmacology. The Department of Pharmacology and Therapeutics has two terms. Here I am showing you the zoom in here. Here is the first item and the first term. Here we can see the some description of some topics. Here we can see the number of, can you see it clearly? Here is the number of items. Here is the number 1 to 11. Here is the all the items in the pharmacology. First three items are general pharmacology. Here is the introduction of pharmacology, first item. Second item is the pharmacokinetics, and third is the pharmacodynamics. This is the general pharmacology. Everywhere you read the pharmacology, you have to have some knowledge about the dynamics of drug. That means how the drug works and what are the adverse effects. These are the things of pharmacodynamics. And the pharmacokinetics is the absorption, distribution and excretion of the drugs. These are the general topic. And some special topics are the autonomic pharmacology, focus on my face, the autonomic pharmacology, CNS pharmacology, cardiovascular pharmacology. There are some different topics here. Now focus here. Here we can see the fourth and fifth item is the adrenergic and cholinergic. Fourth item is the cholinergic. Here is two things. Zoom in here. Here is the cholinergic agonist and the cholinergic antagonist. And the number fifth item is the adrenergic agonist and antagonist. These are the items of autonomic system. Here is the cardiovascular system along with diuretics. There is the hypertension, drugs used in hypertension, and the diuretics. The sixth item. And the seven is the anti-anginal drug, anticoagulants, antithrombotic or thrombolytic, and the drugs in the heart failure. These are the cardiac pharmacology, pharmacology of CVS. And the number 8 is the anti-anemic drugs. Number 9, 10 and 11, these are the CNS pharmacology. Here the CNS pharmacology, we can see here the drugs used in anxiety and sleep disorder, and antipsychotic, antidepressant drugs, anticonvulsant, antiparkinsonism, and finally the analgesic and anesthetic drugs. Analgesic in the opioid. These are the first item of pharmacology. So for the discussion of pharmacology, I may discuss you about the general pharmacology and CNS pharmacology. That means the item number 8 is the drugs used in anxiety and sleep disorder, benzodiazepine and non-benzodiazepine, antipsychotic, antidepressant, anticonvulsant, antiparkinson, analgesic and anesthetic. This is a huge topic. I'm trying to discuss this topic with you, as well as some topics of general pharmacology. So these are the item cards of the pharmacology. Now I want to guide you about some textbooks and some books that discusses the pharmacology. For the learning of pharmacology, you may follow this textbook. Here is a textbook. You can see here the Goodman and Gilman, the the pharmacological basis of therapeutics. This is the Goodman and Gilman pharmacology. This is a interesting and wonderful textbook, and you can follow this basic and clinical pharmacology. It is written by the Kapjang, and you can also follow this pharmacology. This is the Lippincott Illustrated Review Pharmacology. You can also follow this. This is a handy book. In here there are some illustrations, and it is helpful. And you may follow this textbook. This is the Lawrence Clinical Pharmacology. This is another book, and you may follow some guidebooks. Here is an Indian guidebook. This is the Medical Pharmacology, Essentials of Medical Pharmacology. It is written by K.D. Tripathi. You may follow this. And there is another pharmacology guidebook in Bangladesh market, and it is very popular for the postgraduation. Many students read this, the Vision Medical Pharmacology. This is guidebook, and you can follow this book. These are the book lists, and these are the item cards. I hope that you collect your book of preference, and you may and you have to supply and you have to collect the item cards. These are the educational materials, and after collecting this thing, you have to read the book thoroughly. There are so many guidebooks and other textbooks. I advise you that you have to read this book for acquire the knowledge. And the learning or education is a complete system of knowledge, skill, and attitude. By reading the book, you can acquire your knowledge. You can know the thing clearly. You can think about the matter very much clearly, and by doing practically, you can improve your skill. And attitude is a vague term, and attitude is the main thing that you have to change in your inside. So for the development of attitude, you have to mix up with people, you have to observe the world, and you have to change yourself continuously. Hope that you will read the book and you will acquire the knowledge. You will do the thing better by improving your skill, and finally I hope that you will be a good human being by improving your attitude towards the world, towards yourself, and towards your fellows. Thank you all.